Hello, in this video tutorial you'll see how easy it is to use RDZ in order to create a Cobol project. You'll simply start by creating a data design project in which you'll add a Cobol program file. This file will be initially developed locally and then will be moved towards the remote systems area in order to execute it on the mainframe. So, let us begin by having a look at how it's done. In the Properties tab, you can have a look at the details of the remote system you just connected to, and also of the local file that you're currently working on. The remote system details provides information of all the systems in the remote system pane that is towards the right. Lastly, the property group is what is essential in order to run the local project on the mainframe, which needs to be associated to all the partition datasets. After writing the display hello world statement, what we are going to do next is to move this local file called this hello towards the remote area side under the partition dataset called test.cobol, from where we will create a JCL and execute it on the mainframe. After moving the local file to the remote area section, what next we are going to do is associate the property group. The property group can either be created or imported. The property group manager, as you can see, and all the partition data sets that you see towards the right are going to be associated with this property group. After assigning property group to the partition datasets, what we're going to do is we're going to generate the JCL for the Cobol program. Now we can generate the JCL for compile link and for the compile link in Go. First we'll do that for compile link, just to show an understanding of how it actually creates a linkage between the Cobol program. Traditionally on the mainframe, this JCL had to be written by the user himself, and now in order to execute this program, we'll have to generate the JCL for compiling in Go, to which we'll have to add additional 3 lines of code, which will help us submit this job and view the job in the JES. Writing a COBOL program on the mainframe is quite different than writing a COBOL program on the RDZ. The RDZ allows us to quickly drag and drop items, copy paste, and view the job quite easily when we go in the JES, and even it helps us generate JCL quite easily. In the mainframe, we'll have to first allocate a partition dataset. A partition dataset by the name of r3pot test.cobol is already created, but it's been shown for your understanding for how to create. After creating this partition dataset, what we're going to do next is we're going to create a member file. In the member file, I've given the name add new. This is a program I had made earlier, so just for your understanding how we edit a member or how we add a member to the partition dataset is shown in this video. So I have written this piece of code, and after writing this piece of code, we'll have to write its JCL. Now RDZ used to create the JCL for us, and now this is all going to be manual. After writing that JCL, we'll have to submit the JCL for this program, view its output. So I'm not going to take you to JCL, but I'll quickly show you how to go into the SDSF facility and view the output.